Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install VRChat in MetaQuest 3. We will start by clicking on the Store app. After that, we are going to use the search engine above to find the VRChat application and click on it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Within the application, we will click on download or install as it appears, and then we wait for it to install. Once it is installed, we can click on open so that the app starts and we can use it normally. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.